Turbo just pumped more than 20% in just the past few hours. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at what Turbo has been doing recently and the recent pump that it just had and where it could be heading to next. So before we do start with the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about this video and also Turbo as well. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we're over at our screen looking at Turbo right now. It's currently up 7.79% in the past 24 hours. But again, if we head to DEX mode and check out the graph itself, we could see this even if we switch to hourly chart. These past few hours, if we take a look at this graph, we're up more than 23% in just about 3 hours, which is again pretty crazy. And it is coming a little bit back down, but we are still up with pretty good numbers. Our market cap at about $74 million and our volume is at $58 million, more than 5 times what it was yesterday. And we could see pretty good volume to market cap ratio, about 77.89%. Again, absolutely crazy. Weekly, we're almost about breaking even. If we look at the rest of the market right now, rest of the market is bleeding. We could see past 24 hours, Bitcoin 2.3% down, Ethereum 2.8% down, Bitcoin also down in the weekly. Most of these numbers are in the red, and even the ones that are in the green, they're barely up. We could see very little numbers, 0.01, 0.04, 0.01, right? Very tiny numbers, but other than that, it's mostly red in the market right now. We're still in the fear back lower at 28 right now. Again, slowly moving towards altcoin season, which is again really good. We're currently 49 out of 100. Bitcoin is kind of settling down to 68,000 right now, and Ethereum at $2,000, right? So Turbo is actually kind of not down crazy. It's only it's actually less than 1% down in the past week, and in the daily it is actually up. Monthly it is actually up 3%, which is still good. But again, overall the movement has been sideways within the past month, just like most of the other cryptos have been. This pump is actually, it might be part of a pattern that Turbo might be playing out. So we could see this might be one of these patterns where Turbo does kind of this closing triangular pattern. So this is what we could see coming with Turbo in the next coming few days and even possibly weeks as well. It's doing like a symmetrical triangle pattern, which is again, hopefully we see this play out fully in the next few weeks of Turbo. If we look at Turbo overall, and actually let's head over to the X first of Turbo, we could see it is regularly active. We see memes being posted, say hello to Chibi Turbo Toad, right? Dinner with Turbo. So we see events happening with Turbo. We can see Holmes is hosting a deep dive into everything that happened with Turbo. This is on March 23rd, so 8 p.m. CET, and they'll be live on their X as well. So make sure you do join in. This will be around 2 days later, right? And we could see Gardarian hosted a community token battle, and over the past 6 days, six token communities competed. So basically we saw these meme communities compete, and Turbo was the winner of this community battle, showing how strong the community of Turbo is. Again, really great to see Turbo actually holding strong, and the community still standing strong with Turbo even in these times. And that is why we are seeing pumps like this within Turbo. Again, massive great news in Turbo as well. So if we take a look at the website again, the website stays the same. As we know, Turbo token was originally experiment with GPT-4, right? And it challenged AI to create the next great meme coin, starting with a budget of just $69. And this whole process was documented on the X page of Red Mankind, which is the creator of this coin, right? It was community polls. The community decided everything from the name to the logo and from everything else as well. This is why it's called a community token, right? Amazing process. So people actually had feelings behind this project. They actually contributed to this project, which is why it's a lot more important. We see listed on 140 plus spot exchanges. It's listed on most of the biggest exchanges we know today, like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Kraken, BitGet, right? This list is absolutely huge. So again, it definitely helps out a lot. We see a lot more volume because the easier that people have access to the coin, the more likely they are to trade the coin. So again, everything is already set on the back end of Turbo, and the team is working on and on to improve Turbo and its basically back end. And to get this out, they're holding these contests, and they're actually winning these contests, which is even crazier. And obviously we obviously see the results on the graph itself as well, which is pretty good. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take another look at Turbo, what Turbo is doing, right? It recently just had a pump within just the past few hours, so we saw how that could be making a pattern in the charts. Again, still great to see these pumps coming into Turbo. And again, and if you want to stay updated on more updates like this, do make sure to tune into the channel, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Turbo, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.